Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to give my Cakuca presentation is about Indonesian. Okay. Before we know Indonesian as a country, Indonesian is a sum of kingdom whose create Indonesian now. Wait. Before become a country, Indonesian is a kingdom, like I say, and after Indonesian is found by some people, Indonesian has been colonialized by Belanda, and some of country like Poland, Japan, and other. Many of Indonesian colonialized is stand until one century, but especially for Belanda is Holland. Dutch. Oh, Dutch. Judge Indonesian until 3rd century and create VOC for monopoly Indonesian Indonesian geo and other, because Indonesian is have much of have many of resource. Because of that, many of country want to monopoly Indonesian. After Indonesian has been monopolized, Indonesian give their back. They want to take Indonesian from other country, and they is just other country for get out from Indonesian, not for not from one, but all of Indonesian is war to colonialize and create Indonesian country until now. And Indonesian is much and Indonesian is have much of hero who's war winning a war Indonesian and save Indonesian until today. And after the war, Indonesian is create the government who choose by their community, but not for the first Indonesian government is chosen himself for become the government, because there is the hero from the Indonesian is making the new of Indonesian, not the kingdom by a kingdom, but mengatur. But a lead Indonesian from a country. And after that, Indonesian have a much of rare creature like Komodo, Merak, Badak, and Cendrawasih. This is just some of picture I get. Komodo is from Nusa Tenggara, and there is island Komodo, the name. There is much of Komodo, not just one. This is one of rare Indonesian creature, and Komodo is guarded by government. And after that, there is Merak. Merak is one of Indonesian bird who's guarded by government too, because of their feeder is very good and searched by much of people. And there is in the top is bird of Cendrawasih is from Papua, and like Merak and Komodo, this is guarded by government. And the last, there is a badak, there is a rhino. In Indonesia, there is two types of rhino. The first is Java rhino. Java rhino have one chula, and for Java rhino there is name maybe like rhino Sunda or rhino Sumbu, and the second type is rhino from Sumatra. Rhino from Sumatra is have the much hair than other, and much specific is show than the other rhino. Okay, next. Okay, in here there is a rare of plant of Indonesian. The first, there is bunga bangkai. Bunga bangkai is one of the biggest plants in the world, because bunga bangkai is have the smell is bad, and the smell is you can smell it from 2.5 meter, and bunga bangkai is have a big of shape. The height is 1.5, and the height is the height is 1.5, and the height is 1.5. Okay, and the second is there is Rafflesia arnoldi. Rafflesia is the biggest parasite in the world, but this plant is categorized as flower too because of his skin. The Rafflesia doesn't have roots and leaf because this is a parasite. Okay, next. Indonesian. Okay, next to the culture of Indonesian. Indonesian have a much of culture, not because they have been colonialized by much of the country. Indonesian have a much of culture because before Indonesian have become a country, Indonesian is just like kingdom, and there's a village too. Because of that, Indonesian is much of culture, and Indonesian have some of religion, maybe like Islamic, Catholic, Konghucu, Hindu, Buddha, and other. Indonesian is one of country who believe a God. And next, Indonesian have much of food too, like in the screen. There's a rendang from Padang, batagor from Bogor, and soto. From soto is much from Nusantara, maybe like soto Betawi, soto Medan, soto Bandung, soto Jepara, and other. And and from the food there's much other, and yeah, not just like this, because Indonesian is have much of island, and in every island maybe they have their own culture and their own food. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.